Okay, everybody, lie down on the floor and keep calm.
Destination general, thoughts that seem to draw me, heading for transcendent. Still I'm seeking something, and some things I am seeking in a carriage on the fast train of the last train to transcendent.
We've been waiting for years, and now it's here. Last train to transcendent.
An angel sent to guide me. The searching will be over. The calm will now be gentle. In a carriage on the fast train of the last train to transcendent. Also known as the justified ancients of Mumu, furthermore known as a chance. fast train. My destination's general. The thoughts that seem to draw me heading downtown for Transcentral. Still I'm seeking something, and there's something that I'm seeking in a carriage on the fast train of the last train to Transcentral. Or the present. This is the beginning or the ending. Although I know that things are incidental. The landscape may have been accidental. I'm still in a carriage on the fast train of the last train to Transcentral. Over and out.